Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word places. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. There are many beautiful places to visit around the world. In this sentence, places refers to various locations or destinations that are of interest or worth visiting for their beauty, significance, or attraction. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.